Welcome to Quick 3D Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to make tileable texture inside Photoshop and how we can remove the seam. Before we get started to it, I will just say the document we're going to create is, in this case, I have using 1K 1024. You can use 512 and higher if you want. So in this case, we have this one. And that is a demo just to show you how Photoshop is going to make it to be tileable. After it, we're going to give you another example how we can work with the complicated things. So here, make sure all the layer is merged. Go to the filter, other, offset. And this number is the half size of your image. So here we have 1024. Half of this 512 and same thing on the other, and press OK. So what Photoshop did is going to parting it different part in different way, and any seam you're going to see here between this section, it need to be fixed. So you don't need to be any more care about the round area, only the central point. So let me show you this in this example. So here we have it, a texture 1024. We're going to the filter, other, and offset 512 in the both, and press OK. So if I just zoom a little bit in, so you can see we have got kind of seam here and here. So how we can fix this? So there are basically 4 ways we can do this. The first way, we're going to the selection tool, select a little bit of this area we want to remove the seam from, go to the edit, go to the fill, and just make sure you have container away and 100% and so on, and press it. Control D, and you can see Photoshop have made a good job to clean this. So that is a way to clean the seam from this. The other way, we can use this section, this tool, which is like we're going to paint on it. So we're going to paint it and it's going to removing it. So that was another way to do this. And of course we can size our brush to be less smaller or bigger. So we're just putting it in this section. So the other way we want the tool we can also use is the clone tool. So we press on it, make sure that is the first one, and go to the seam which is here, holding control, get information from image from here, and then you can see the information. We can just try and paint it over it, something like this. And we have another one, we can just maybe take a little bit of this section and try to fix this manually. And of course the softness is good, make sure not to make it too soft, it look like you blow the texture. So the last one we want to show you this is another way. We're going to duplicate our images and hide the back image, and we're going to this one, go ahead and use the erase tool and just remove the seam where they are, like here. And after it, we're going to show this and just go to the move tool and this one. So we're going to move tool and moving it until we get kind of nice effect. So as you can see now, we have removed the seam from this. So that is a 3 way we can do. And after all, you can just select all the layer you have, Control E, and now we have merging it. To test your texture, you can just go to the edit, define the paddle, call it test or anything, and create a new layer. Put any color you want, double click on it, go to the paddle, overwrite, and choose, I think it was this, choosing this one. So as you can see, kind of color information need to be fixed. It is just to show you the basic things. So you can see the pattern area is work better actually, which we have manually putting another image behind this. So that is a 3-4 way actually to remove the scene from your tileable texture. And thanks for watching.